Hola, soy Maria and this is an embodied Spanish class. Today I'm going to share with you 5 of the most common mistakes I hear among my Spanish students. And I'm going to give you the mistake and how to fix it and the correct option or the correct way of saying that particular thing. Number 1. No bueno. No bueno doesn't mean not good. In fact, it doesn't mean anything at all. The main reason why this particular sentence doesn't make any sense and it is wrong is because it has no verb. It has no action. In Spanish, we need a verb always. So, not good implies in English it is not good, right? Well, in Spanish, we do need the it's part, it is part. So what you want to say is no es bueno or no está bien. No es bueno refers to the quality of a thing. For example, a movie or a dish or a fruit, whatever. No es bueno. La película no es buena. Whereas no está bien is used to talk about a moral aspect of a situation or a thing. So, Juan no me habla desde hace una semana. Y eso no está bien. So Juan hasn't been spoken to me for a week. That is not good. That's not okay. Yeah? 2. No problema. Okay. This does not mean anything either, and it is wrong for 2 reasons. The first reason is the same as the previous one. The number 1, there is no verb. Where is the there is before no problem? We need to use a verb which is the equivalent of there is or there are in Spanish, which in Spanish is hay. So it would be no hay problema in this case. Okay? No problem, no hay problema. And then, what's with problema, really? The person who said that you need to add an O to an English word to make it sound Spanish should be shut in space. The word you required is problema. El problema. Problema is a masculine word, okay? Even if it ends with an A. Problema is el problema and not la problema. Right? So if you want to say that a certain situation does not pose a problem, please say no hay problema. 3. Yo me llamo es Juan. Or me llamo es Juan. Here, the other common mistake I hear, which is this one, is using 2 verbs. So in the 2 previous points, the problem was that there was no verb. Here we have 2, rather than done. So when you say yo me llamo es Juan, what you are saying actually is I am named is Juan. This is because yo me llamo does not mean my name is, but I am named. In Spanish, we have 2 ways to ask and say our names. ¿Cómo te llamas? Where we are using the verb llamarse here, which is how are you named? Literally, ¿cómo te llamas? How are you named? And ¿cuál es tu nombre? Which is a less common version that translates directly to which is your name. Remember, we do not say ¿qué es tu nombre? But ¿cuál es tu nombre? And the ways to reply to this question are also multiple. Mi nombre es María or me llamo María. Mi nombre es María, my name is María, or me llamo María, I'm named María. Okay? 4. Es bien. Okay. Es bien, please, no, is not correct. Yeah? Es bien, no está bien. It's not good, it's not correct. Or in other words, es bien es incorrect. Es can only be followed by bueno or malo, but never, ever by bien or mal. Bien can only be accompanied by está. So, está bien, está mal, es bueno, es malo. ¿Ya? Es bueno, it's good. Este libro es bueno. This book is good. Juan es bueno. Juan is good. Está bueno. It's tasty or it's attractive. Este bocadillo está bueno. This sandwich is tasty. Or Juan está bueno, which is a colloquial expression, okay, not formal. And that means Juan is handsome. Está bien. It's right. It's correct. It's okay. Este ejercicio está bien. This exercise is correct. And number 5, gracias para todo. Please, no, this is not correct. And I know, por and para can be translated both in English to for. So I know they are a very confusing pair to distinguish, and there is a lot to say about the difference between por and para. And I won't go into detail about this distinction between por and para here. This is not the purpose of this video, but I will just tell you that gracias, thanks or thank you, is always and only followed by por. Gracias por todo. Thanks for everything. Gracias por venir. Thanks for coming. The reason here is that por expresses the cause or reason for something. So the reason and object of why I am grateful in the previous examples are the words everything and coming. Therefore, we need por. So this is all for this video. In a next video, I will give you another 5 little common mistakes and how to fix them or why they are a mistake, and I will give you the right option. And this is all for today. Thank you, and I see you next time. Hasta luego.